Hey guys, it's Big E here from the King's Room. It's been a minute since I did one of these. So I did a little recording of the Rubik's Cube. I have been kind of obsessed with it lately, and I finally figured out how to solve it. Pretty much have all the moves memorized. So I'm going to show you a video clip of me solving it. I'm just going to add some music because I didn't do a voiceover. I had to get my other camera in kind of an awkward angle. I was like behind the camera trying to do it. But if anybody's interested, I've always wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I've never spent the time trying to figure out how to do it. So the method I use, it's probably not standard. There's a couple of different ways to do all of the steps. And I use different algorithms for different things. So I'm using 2 or 3 different methods. And I'm sure people do that anyway. But if enough people are interested or care or want to see how I can explain how I do each step, if you're interested, and you can just watch the video over and over and maybe just kind of memorize what to do. But let me know what you think. If you're interested, if you're not, that's cool too. Anyway, hope you enjoy some nerd stuff. Peace.